Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's vlog, we are here at Bali, Indonesia. Hindi na ako nag-vlog doon sa airport sa Pilipinas, but because basically same lang din naman yung gagawin, kukunin yung boarding pass, dadaan ng immigration. Tinanong lang naman sa amin sa immigration, sa akin kinonfirm lang kung sino lang ulit yung kasama ko at hanggang kailan kami dito sa Bali, Indonesia. And then pagdating dito sa Bali, Indonesia, bago na yung, parang may arrival card na rin sila and ano na siya, unified, isa na lang siya. Then, yun na yung gagamitin nyo. Dadaan na lang kayo sa e-gate nila, which is sobrang bilis lang din. Nag-book na rin kami ng airport transfer namin from here sa airport going to our hotel, which is sa Ubud. And ipapakita ko rin sa inyo yun mamaya. Wala rin naman since e-gate na yung dinaan namin kanina dito, wala nang mga tinanong sa amin. So basically, samahan nyo ako sa aming adventure here at Bali. Hi guys! Dito na kami sa Bakong Ubud Resorts and Villa dito sa hotel namin. Basically, ang binook lang namin, it's actually a 2-bedroom villa. And hindi ko naman, actually, ang ina-expect ko lang sa 2-bedroom, like, nandun lang kayo sa baba kasi tas dalawang 2-bedroom, dalawang bedroom. Isang bedroom sa baba, isang bedroom sa taas. So, it's a 2-story villa here sa Bakong Ubud. And napakalaki nito guys, papakita ko sa inyo mamaya. And nakuha ko lang to around 14,900 from November 23 to November 27. That it's for 4 nights or 5 days, 4 nights. And if in any case, tatanungin nyo ako, parang around nasa 3,600 plus pesos ay yung babayaran nyo per pax if apat kayo for this 2-bedroom or 2-bedroom villa na lang.
We're going to Market Kineme.
Advance.
Basta yun. And it's raining. Ambon lang naman. Mag-grab kami kasi ang layo sa Kabihasnan.
Uber naman sa Malaki.
Malayo talaga.
Sabay hindi pala yan. Akin yan.
Bye-bye.
So basically bumaba na kami ng Grab kasi medyo traffic. And doon na sa part na yun yung yung sa street market. So tignan natin. So ito yung yung background namin. Ayan na, ito na yung street market, pakita ko na sa inyo. Yan, we're here na sa Ubud Street Market. Yan siya. And as you can see, sobrang traffic niya. Yan, meron ditong French bakery doon, may paano chocolate.
One and one.
Naka-block sila Kailan sila naka-block? Ako naman hindi naka-block. Yan, merong Havaianas, may polo. Actually, ang daming polo dito. Yung polo. Ito Havaianas. Yan siya. Basically, ito yung whole street yan siya. Ayun, ang narinig ko parang Terimakasi. Parang gano'n.
Terima kasih.
Ayun, Terimakasi.
Terima
Kashi.
ya.
Bayad na ba?
858.
Oh, tama. Ay, mas mura yung computation niya. Bakit sa akin mahal? Nasa 900 yung akin. Yan. Happy birthday! And we're back dito sa aming hotel, which is sa Bakong Ubud Resort and Villas. And as you can see dito sa likod ko, it's a 2-bedroom villa and it's a 2-story. So ngayon papakita ko sa inyo yung room namin, i-room tour ko kayo. Ito muna tayo sa first floor. Dito sila mama at saka yung kapatid ko. Tingnan natin. Yan, so pasensya na medyo magulo. Pagpasok at nagad yung bed, parang queen size bed siya, ayun. Kompleto siya din for the entertainment, TV, at to, may sarili silang TV. Sobrang laki. At ito ang magandang part or best part ng lahat. Here, very aesthetic to. Rock siya, may vanity, kineso, and itong sinasabi kong best part. Here, may bathtub siya, and may bathtub din dun sa taas. Papakita ko sa inyo yan mamaya. Kompleto rin siya, meron toiletries and all. And then, ito yan, mga hangeran, yung lagayan ng mga gamit. Ito. Yan, another vanity mirror. Ayan. And dito, living room. Paano ba? Living room ba to? Cold water, nire-replant to everyday. And nabanggit ko na rin kanina na meron kaming free breakfast. So, punta naman tayo sa second floor. Nandun kami ng aking friend. Eto, kinaganda neto. Ayun nga. Separate room, tas meron ditong balcony. Tas meron din balcony din doon sa harap namin. So, yan. Pasok tayo. Ayan. So, pagpasok, it's basically the same thing. Ayan. Ayan yung bed. Ayan. So, ayan. Yung entertainment, just the same thing. Ito yung kanilang TV. Vanity mirror, ayan, and then yung lagayan mga gamit, yung rack ba yan, basta hanginan yan, kompleto, and isa sa mga best part, kaya isa lang siya sa mga best part, yung aming balcony dito sa second floor. Ayan siya. Na napakita ko na kanina sa intro, ayan, ito, dito yung pool, dito sa aming villa, and ewan ko nakikita dyan. Ayan, yung mga view, nandyan yung mga katabi namin villas. So, now let's move forward to the very, very best part, which is best part din sa baba kanina, ang bathroom. Panalo ang bathroom. Actually, mas malaking bathroom dito. So, makita mo agad yung bathtub. So, pwede ka dito. Ayan siya. Kaya ko ngayon. Ganon. Ayan siya. Kompleto kanina, yung mga toiletries and all. Yung vanity mirror. Ayan. Toilet. Actually, yung toilet na maganda eh. May automatic. And may option ka rin naman for bidet. Ito yung shower nila. Ayan. So basically, that's it for our room tour na mention ko naman kanina or earlier dun sa aking intro na nakuha ko lang to for 14,900. That's for November 23 hanggang November 27. And pinayagan pa lang nila kami mag-early check-in. So for the early check-in, bayad lang kami ng additional 300,000 Indian rupiah. So that's basically around 1.2. So that's it once again for my room tour. Kita-kits tayo tomorrow for our tour. Pag may tour tayo tomorrow, then explain ko na ng design since nabutin natin siya through. Thank you, bye! Hi guys, good morning. Today is November 24, 2025 and time check at 7 a.m. in the morning and we're currently waiting for our private car na dumating. Binuko lang to through Klook. Pakita ko na lang din sa inyo. And it's a 10-hour tour. And ito rin yung mga itinerary na pakita ko na lang din sa inyo. So ito yung mga pupuntahan namin for today's video. And samahan nyo kami sa aming trip na to. And by the way, with regards doon sa sinabi ko kanina na nabook namin siya through Klook, around nasa 2,000 plus pesos lang namin siya na-book, and that's good for 10 hours. And if ever naman lumagpas kayo sa time, that's fine. Kasi magbabayad na lang kayo ng additional siguro mga 50,000 per hour. If in any case na magpas kayo. Yan, tapos na kami mag-prepare and ito na sila, outfit check. So here's our car for today na nabook namin through Klook.
Excuse me, you can on AC here.
Later.
Okay.
Lamig na lamig? O diba? Nagsawa ka din sa malamig ngayon.
Kasi yung aircon kanina.
O yung pagbabaho kaya kanina nagulat ako sobrang lamig.
Hinaan ko na yun. Sasa girl.
Yan. So we are now now here at our first destination, which is Lampuyang Temple. So kukuha muna kami ng ticket namin papunta doon. So pakita ko na lang din sa inyo. Yan, so dito kayo kukuha ng ticket. Yan, yung booth na yan. And let's see. Wow, ang ganda ng hair mo, Day. Naka-highlights ka. So bali yung entrance fee ay 50,000. Ayan siya. So nakakuha na kami ng ticket, 50,000. Yung 50,000 na yun pala para dito sa shuttle. And it's a round trip ticket na. So let's go.
This you keep it,
Thank you.
the return eh.
Hey. So we are currently waiting na lang sa ibang sasakay. Parang pupunuin yata. Going up doon sa Lampuyang Temple. Yung queue or line daw is 2 hours. And hopefully sana nga 2 hours lang or less. Kasi parang nabasa ko kasi last time is parang 3 to 4. Ayan, alis na kami. So andito na kami. Bibili naman kami ng ticket na, entrance ticket pataas. Shuttle lang yung binili natin.
Nahihilo ako dun sa daan. Tingnan yung daan. There. Mas malala. Parang mas malala siya sa Baguio. Anyway.
So nakakuha na ako ng ticket. This is 70,000 each. Kasama na yung sarong doon. And ang number natin is 188. And to time check, it's 9:49 yan. Sana mabilis lang. Yan. So namimili sila ngayon ng kanilang sarong. Masyadong colorful.
Plain ka kasi ang
Gaya-gaya ko.
Ayan, so paakyat na kami ngayon. Ito yung aakyatan nyo going to Lampuyang Temple. Yan yung aakyatin papuntang Lampuyang Temple.
parang pa-heavy na to na.
Ayan, so we are now here at the entrance of Lampuyang Temple. Ito yung ticket. Thank you.
Unggul harus ditutupi setiap saat. 5. Jangan pernah memanjat atau
And after 3 hours, tapos na kami dito sa Lampuyang Temple. And as you can see, nagpalit na kami ng outfit kasi ang lakas ng ulan. Yan. And ito yung aking outfit. Yan siya. And ito yung outfit niya. For the price, okay naman siya since nandito kasi sa Lampuyang Temple. So, medyo pricey. Pero yun nga kasi, medyo umulan-ulan. So, ayun. Okay naman. Outfit check. So we are now currently waiting sa aming mga kasabay pababa. Pero tulad siguro ng kanina, hindi naman na mag-wait ng very long. So yan again, outfit check dahil aliw na aliw ako dito sa nabili namin. I like it so much. So we are now here at Delois or Delois. Kakain na kami ng aming lunch. Katabi lang to ng Tirtaganga, by the way. Here's their menu. Very artistic wood ASMR. Ayan siya. Mga sample nila menu. Yan. Yan yung chicken curry nila. Magkano yan?
105.
105.
Thousands.
Sweet.
Yan. Tapos ito yung version nila ng
Hindi, Indian talaga yun. Pero
ng
ano talaga?
butter chicken
Butter chicken.
na parang Indian food. So here's mine. It's nasi goreng. So let's taste test.
Damit ko siya yung nagmamana. Baliktad.
And we are now here at our second destination, which is Tirtaganga. Yan, ito na siya. We're going to the entrance. Siyempre, magbabayad muna ng, as usual, entrance fee. Here's their entrance fee.
Tested, yeah. Arabica, this is a little bit sour, and Robusta, this is the more bitter, the more stronger for the taste.
What is that sound?
Kada, this is a little bit similar like a cricket, this is a small animal, have the big sound. Have the special coffee from the animal. We call here this is the luwak coffee. Yeah. So here we don't have a cappuccino, yeah. We have only just the cappuccino. Ube, yeah, gabi, yeah, in Philippines. And I can see the coffee process over there. The fruit will also make it for the luwak coffee, the cappuccino. The animal this one, who is the cappuccino like a cappuccino.
And we are now here at the Satya Luwak Coffee.
Oh, this one is cinnamon?
Yes. This is the skin of mangosteen. Whether you can try the tea. We make tea from this. Mangosteen. So clove, pepper, turmeric, ginger, galangal, lemongrass. Whether you can try the tea.
Okay ba si turmeric tsaka si ginger?
Oo. Madilaw si turmeric.
Okay.
Yeah, for my
tawag
chocolate,
sa amin?
cocoa for chocolate. And all of this, the regular coffee, Bali coffee. So it doesn't have a strong smell because not roasted. When we roast it, then
Yes.
the smell comes out. So, the food coffee.
Cappuccino.
Cappuccino. Comes out like this. We wash it first by hot water. And we dry it. And then we fill it. We roast it inside only.
Para kayitin ko.
Kaya hindi siya marunong magpayo.
Bakit?
Are they friendly? Are they behave?
Tester is free for you. Only if you want to try luwak coffee, 55,000 a cup, yeah? If you want to try. I will put according to the picture. You can share. Okay. This is pure Bali coffee, the regular Arabica. Lemongrass tea. That for the throat and for diet, losing weight.
Ay, makaturo. Kala mo talaga.
Red rice, high calcium for bones.
Kasi nagtitida.
Para bones daw.
Ginger tea for cold food, digestion. Rosella flower, control blood pressure.
Ikaw na yun. Baka bumili ka
Saffron
nun
and
ha.
curcuma for immune system. Mangosteen tea, they can prevent cancer and cholesterol.
Ay, gusto ko yun.
Avocado coffee. This is ginseng. That's the Papa drink Mama Happy for energy. Coconut coffee. This is mocha coffee and chocolate.
Nare-recognize
Vanilla
yan,
coffee and the last one hot chocolate.
Chocolate. I
Hey.
want chocolate.
Anybody want to try this coffee? Luwak coffee?
One.
Ah, sige.
This one.
One.
Paki coffee. What's this?
Ayan, so after coffee tasting, kung may mga nagustuhan kayo, yan, dito na kayo bibili.
Tama ba to? 130?
And here's their Bali Cappuccino. And that's a wrap for our day tour for today. Ang mga pinuntahan namin kanina is the Lempuyang Temple, which nagtagal kami for about 2 to 3 hours. You can actually check my social media accounts. Nag-upload ako doon ng mga photos and pictures or videos namin doon. Umulan siya pero it's very magical, so enchanted, yun na eksena. And then after that, we went to Tirtaganga. Malapit lang yun doon, nag-lunch na lang din kami near Tirtaganga. And then after nun, punta kami sa coffee plantation. Dapat mag-waterfalls pa kami kaso very tight na sa schedule or sa time. So nag-ano na lang kami, coffee plantation, and we enjoyed the coffee tasting. It's so good. And we're currently back at Ubod. Malapit lang to sa hotel namin. Mag-ikot-ikot pa kami sa market. And yan, kumakain lang kami ngayon dito sa, anong pangalan to? Clean, di ba? Clear. Clear Cafe. And I'm actually eating fettuccine or fettuccine. Ewan ko anong pronunciation nun. Tapos sa kanya ay,
Pad Thai.
kumakain siya ng pad thai. Yung kapatid ko doon, parang pasta. Si mama ko pala parang yung Alfredo, and then my burrito. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you on my next video. Then don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and click nyo na rin yung notification bell para ma-notify ka sa mga every new uploads ko here at YouTube. Bye!